Step right here and then swing over.
Yes, sir. Alrighty, do you want me to go over the instructions again?
Yeah.
Alrighty, so he, for whatever reason, wants to eat something off the ground, you're gonna pull straight up. If he goes to the left, you're gonna pull to the right. If he goes to the right, you're gonna pull to the left, okay? If you need him to stop for whatever reason, you're gonna pull back towards your belly button. If you keep pulling back, he's gonna back up, which is a pretty neat trick, but you don't need to do it today, okay?
Okay.
He's a great horse. He'll be on cruise control.
Okay.
So if you've driven a car before, this is like your wheel. You never want to let go of that wheel, okay?
Okay.
He's a great horse. You'll be just fine. Can you stand up?
Cool. What?
Alright, give him a couple kicks.
Huh? Just like this?
Just like that, yeah.
Alright. I feel like a cowboy. Should have wore a cowboy hat.
Behind me, okay?
Okay.
Give him a big kick and keep him in line, okay?
All right.
Kick it. So if any of our horses just suddenly stop again, just yell out potty break. Just tough all up. We don't have over 1,000 We also have cocktail rabbits, rabbits.
Whoa. Potty break.
Pull him and kick. Or something, or somebody. Thank you. Okay. Come on.
Do I still hold the string?
Yeah,
Okay,
please.
good.
So with this horse, you kind of got to manhandle him just a bit.
Okay, so like be kind of a little bit more aggressive.
Yeah, so if you can't let him turn around. Okay?
Okay. Oh yeah, I feel like a cowboy now. Oh yeah, he got me up here. He heard his buddy come.
Bentley.
So Bentley, if he has a snaffle bit in his mouth, that's what the bit that he has in his mouth is called. So it breaks in half like that. So what you're gonna do, so you see how I'm holding my phrase with 2 hands?
Yeah, like this?
Both of them in 1 hand, yep. Hold both of them in one each hand.
Okay.
So here, hold the line up, wait. So you're gonna hold them like this.
Okay.
That way when you need to control him, you can just pull his mouth instead of his neck.
Okay.
Because you have more control with this.
Okay,
with his
cool.
mouth. Just because this one doesn't have that much brakes, it's a different kind of bit.
Okay, when you want them to stop, just pull both of them?
Yeah, just pull both.
Okay.
So,
Somebody, damn.
instead of you going and pulling on his neck,
Nah, Don't you go start taking off, nigga. Fall in line, young fella. Fall in line. I see how people got the shooting shit on horses back in the day. I feel like I could straight boah for with a 9. I'll be going crazy. Yeah. I see why they tell you wear jeans and shit. There's hella spikes and shit on these bushes.
I got what like Smokey Bear, life good, but it ain't fair. In the hood, ain't see you there. Her pussy good, I'm pulling hair. On the way up like some stairs, diamond bustin', they not clear.